Alright guys, this is a 2019 S5. I'm trying to do the intake and charge pipe. As you can see here, CTS. Alright, this is kind of a pain in the ass to get out, but if you use a metric, it's gonna be a size 4. You can just use this Allen key. Just fit it in here like this, and you got to use this to get the one on the bottom here. So I just use this, and then I just grabbed it with this to my channel lock to get that out from there. The CTS charge pipe and the stock is completely different. The CTS is way bigger, and the easiest way to get the hose off from the bottom here, I just took this part, picked the charge pipe up a little bit, and just brace it against this tip right here, and then take my finger and push on this side and just pull up. Alright guys, this is a finished product, the 034 intake with the CTS charge pipe. Not a bad install. I would say like an hour to do this. So that's it.